Okay, children. Okay. Look at the camera. There we go. No. She's a good hair washing. Oh, I know.
He like it, I think.
I think so. Usually they don't. Oh, now don't cry. Don't cry. There you go. Say, what in the world are you doing to me?
Yeah, he won't say nothing.
Say, that feels good.
Yeah, he like it.
Yeah. Say, that feels good, man. Put a little more soap on the back. Okay. All right. No, yeah, that feels good, don't it, sugar? Aw. Yeah. All right. Now, we got that all clean. All right. Now we're going to get the others. We're going to get this other all soaped up here. Okay, this part you might not like. I don't know, you like this bath. Yes, you do. Okay. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's all right. Okay. I know it. This is not fun. Oh. Okay. Let me get it over here. All right. Now I'm gonna put in my, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it in the water. All right, come on, let's go. All right. Let's get in here. Make sure that's not too hot now. Okay, here we go. Oh, now. It's all right. It's all right. Here, look. Now, how about it? That's not so bad. Oh, now. Okay. Nay, say, oh, say, it's all right. Say, this is all right. Say, I'm getting my Calgon bath. All right, turn around there. Okay. All right, you gonna stand up in there, boy? Man. There we go. Look, there you go. There you go. There you go. Look up. Hey. Say, I kind of like this, but again, I might not. Not that good. All right. Now let me do the front and I'm done.
I think it's warm water.
Yeah, it's warm. Look at him holding on there. So don't drown me, please. Say, don't drown me. All right, baby. I'm done. All right. There you go. Take a picture of me. Okay. Okay. There we go. There we go. Open your eyes up and look. Come on. Open your eyes up. Come on. I'm gonna do his face now with a different rag. Okay, look. Yeah.
He don't want to open his eyes.
Okay. We gotta get the mirrors clean. Yeah. Okay. We done. Okay, open your eyes. Okay, open your eyes and be happy. Open your eyes. Okay. Say no. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Oh, come on. Look at the camera. Come on. Say no, I'm going to go to sleep now because I'm warm. I said, I don't think I'm going to open my eyes up. All righty. Oh, there you go. Hey, look. Open your eyes. Look at those beautiful eyelashes. Oh,
He won't open it.
he's not going to do it. He's not going to do it. I'm going to put down another towel here for a minute and then I'll change all that.
Okay.
There you go. All right. There you go. All righty. Yeah, we're going to get your hair dry. Yeah, we're going to get your hair dry. Okay. Well, let me dry your hair. Okay. Got big hands, doesn't it? And big feet. Oh, yeah. All right. You're nice and clean. Okay, look over there.
No करेगी. He's sleepy. He's sleepy.
There you go.